Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me the new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 mobile phone, and in this video I will show you how to continue your call even you close down your phone, even you flip it down and you want to continue the call, you want to continue the conversation without hanging up. So first of all, you have to go to the settings. Okay, so you can see over here the settings icon. So once you enter into the settings, you have to scroll down. Okay, so once you scroll down, you will see an option of accessibility. So you can see over here, this is accessibility, so just select it, and once you enter into the accessibility, you will see an option of interaction and dexterity. So you can see over here interaction and dexterity, so just select it. Once you select it, you will see the third option over here. It says answering and ending calls. Okay, so just select it, and once you enter into the answering and ending calls, the very last option, it says close phone to end. So currently it is enabled. Okay, so you have to disable it, guys. So just disable it. Okay, and once you disable it, now you are ready to go. So whenever you have a call, you have a continue conversation, your phone is open, so even if you flip it down, okay, even you close it, okay, the call will continue, the conversation will continue, there will be no hanging up. Okay, so the call will continue and you can keep doing the conversation on the call. Okay, so this is really a useful feature if you want to continue your call, if you want to continue to talk, even your phone flip down. Okay, so even if you flip down your phone, so you can continue the call. So simply go to the settings, go to the accessibility. Okay, and then in accessibility, go to the interaction and dexterity. Okay, so I'm repeating, interaction and dexterity. So just select it, and once you select it, you will see the third option. It says answering and ending calls, so you just have to select it, and the last option over here, it says close phone to end. So if it is enabled and you want to continue the conversation even if the phone flip down, so you have to disable it. Okay, and if you don't want to use this feature, you can just enable it. Okay, and it's up to you, whatever settings you prefer. So I'm going to disable it because I want to continue the conversation even if my phone is flipped down, even if it is closed. So it's up to you, whichever settings you prefer. So this is really amazing phone, guys. So this is for today's video. I hope you like the video, I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.